Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Ipsy Glam bag, which is just the original OG Glam bag. I have a cute little pair of shoes, fingers crossed they fit, that I picked up from HSN, and I have a box from City Beauty and I have no idea what's in it. So let's get into it and check it out. This is the box from City Beauty. I'm covering up my address. It is very big. Is very, very light. So I have no idea what's going to be in here. I'm kind of anxious to find out. Ooh, don't know what we have. We have a fun little box of something. If you guys haven't seen me talk about City Beauty before, I will do some links at the end of this to take you back to some of my other videos. I love City Beauty. It is most of what my skincare is. I don't talk about it a lot. I am an affiliate with them. They do send me this for review. I do also purchase things from them. I love my City Beauty. I use the City Beauty lip plumper. I have several colors. I use the night oil. They have a day lip oil now. All of the things that I hope are giving me more plump lips. I probably use every day 5 to 10 of their products easily. And if you watch the channel, you know that for me, that is a win because I have such super sensitive skin. So to find a brand that has so many products that I can use that don't irritate my skin is fantastic. This is, what is it? I don't know. It is the Brightening Eye Cream. I'm so excited. You guys know they used to do my absolute favorite eye cream and they quit doing it. And I wonder if this is taking its place. Okay, let's read about it. It says it revitalizes and depuffs. This is 0.5 ounces. I'm so excited to try this. Let me see if I can find it online and what I can tell you about it. I will put links down below over to City Beauty along with my discount codes in case you'd like to go over and check it out. This says, Brightening Eye Cream is an antioxidant-rich formula that reduces the look of under-eye puffiness, diminishes the appearance of dark circles, and helps visibly smooth fine lines. Its soothing, revitalizing ingredients also help shield against environmental stressors that accelerate visible signs of aging. There is nothing in here I can't use. That is very exciting. It does have caffeine in it. You guys know I have been struggling a little bit to remove some of the caffeine. Oh, it's sealed. To remove some of the caffeine from my facial choices. But that said, I don't think there is an under eye cream that you're going to find without caffeine in it. So I've kind of made the exception for that in my Vegamore. This is what it looks like when you take it out. Let's try a pump of it. That is what it looks like. It's a nice thick cream. Almost no scent. Oh, that's very nice. Feels so good. It feels like it would lay down nicely and not bother your makeup. It is good and creamy, so let's see how it absorbs, but it feels so nice. That is the new City Beauty Under Eye Cream. I am so excited to give it a try, especially since they're calling it brightening, because I know they do such a great job on dark circles under your eyes. They had the only cream that I have ever used in my entire life that I actually felt like it was taking care of my dark circles, and then they discontinued it. Super sad. So I'm glad to see this one and give it a try. Okay, next out. This is just a pair of shoes that I picked up that just happened to come today, and I had a couple of things to show you, so I thought I would show you. It was a box in a bag. It took some abuse. I don't know what my post office is doing with all of my boxes, but it got here, and that is what matters. These were Borns, and they are on HSN. They were on sale. I will look and see if they still are. I will link them regardless. Oh, still so cute. Look how cute these are. Just for like skirts all summer long. I mean, you could wear them with capris, anything you like, but I thought just a nice natural color to wear with skirts all summer long. Perfect. When we are done with this, I will try them on. I got them in an 8. I am generally a 7.5 or an 8. It feels super soft though. I love the way it feels. Okay, can't wait to try those because those feel like a pair of shoes that I would just wear with everything all summer long. And last but not least, and easy peasy for the day, we have my original Ipsy bag. It is a $14 bag. You will have five products on the inside. You will have chosen one of them from a selection that they gave you to choose from. They will be deluxe samples. You will sometimes have full-size products. You also get the cute little bag. Oh my goodness. Look how adorable that bag is. I know right where this is going. My oldest granddaughter loves the old-fashioned Blue Willow dishes. That look, this look is so in this spring and summer. When we go to boutiques looking for little dresses and stuff for them all summer long, this blue on cream or on white has been so popular. She's gonna love it. Okay, we have our paperwork on the inside. Born to Bloom. Oh, look, it ties back to my shoes. They're born. It's like I had a theme and I didn't even know. Born to Bloom. And we do have information on the inside, a little bit about each of our products, so we won't need Mr. iPad for this one. Let's just dig right in. We have, I have no idea what we have. Lily Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. That is what that looks like. And it says, tired of your eyes looking tired? Sure. This eye cream is just what the doctor ordered. It's packed with skin balancing probiotics, a patented peptide blend, and skin stem cells that work at a cellular level to help strengthen and restore the vitality and brightness around your eyes. If this was a full-size product, it would be 15 ml and it would be $54. And we have, yes, 8 ml. So this is a 1/4 of an ounce and it would be about a 1/2 an ounce. This is a little more than a 1/4 of an ounce. So this is like $23 worth of product. $22. $22.50. So that's what it looks like. I picked up a lot on this, but that is what it looks like. Oh, it smells very nice. That might matter to some people if it's for your eyes. It smells very nice. Very floral. I won't be trying this for a little while because I will be trying starting tomorrow my City Beauty, but I'll tuck this away. Oh yeah, this is much thinner and lighter than the City Beauty is. Oh, it smells fantastic. If this was a perfume, I would be giving it 2 thumbs up. As it is not a perfume, I will say if you are super sensitive to if you are super sensitive to scents, this is a lot for under your eyes. But it is very nice. Next out, we have the Glass Skin Tangulu from Olivia Uma. I don't know any of those people or any of those words. This says that it is the Olivia Uma Glass Skin Tangulu Multivitamin Serum. Inspired by Tangulu. It's T-A-N-G-H-U-L-U. Tangulu? I'm probably doing it completely wrong. This serum from K-Beauty favorite Olivia Uma delivers a radiant glass-like glow, packed with antioxidants, niacinamide, vitamin A, vitamin E, and it helps revitalize, brighten, and energize your skin. If this was full-sized, it would be 39 ml at $48, and this is 10 ml. So $12 worth. Wow, this is adding up quickly in these little samples. I will set this aside because it has vitamin A in it, and I do not use vitamin A products, but I will set it aside, and I'm sure somebody will enjoy it. We have an e.l.f. product, Suntouchable Whoa Glow Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. Well, is it a mineral or is it a vegetable? Mineral or chemical sunscreen. Get your glow on with this lightweight SPF 30 sunscreen meets primer infused with hydrating aloe, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. It helps leave your skin dewy and protected without feeling greasy. Wear it alone for a luminous look or under makeup for a lit from within glow. If it was full-sized, it would be 50 ml at $14, and we have, this is 10 ml, so this is a little less than $3 worth. I'll take it out and show you guys, but it is chemical sunscreens. It is avobenzene. There are things in it that I have used, but as a rule, I try to avoid that. So I will set this aside also for a giveaway. They've made it look a little bit like Supergoop with all those whites and yellows. It could just be because it's summer and it's sun. It's fine. Next out, we have Wander Lip Retreat Oil. That is what that looks like. And it is Wander Beauty Mini Lip Retreat Oil in Oasis Glow. This clear lip oil was made for days when you want your lips to look plump and juicy and feel baby soft too. It's infused with super moisturizing avocado oil, which is rich in fatty acids, vitamin E, and lecithin to deeply nourish and hydrate. If this were full-sized, it would be 10 ml at $22, and this is 5 ml. So this is another one of the ones that's half size. So this is $11 worth. Oh, can you guys see it's got like a hook to it? Oh no, that made it worse. I'm so light. You know how every influencer ever went like this. I'm so light that it doesn't help. I need to do it over there, get out of the way. It's got an interesting hook to it, and then it's just a lip oil. We can look at that. We'll check. It's just, oop, me again. It's just clear. Can you guys tell it's clear? Let's see how it feels a little bit over this. I am, not great with my left hand. I am finishing taping, so I don't mind if it messes up my lipstick a little bit. Made it shiny. And it made this very red. It feels nice. Feels just like a lip oil. And now I feel like I have a shiny red on. Okay, and last out we have, looks like a Manicadar. Hydration Happy. Oh, it is Manicadar. Manicadar Hydration Happy Face Mist. Refresh, set, and perfect. This ultra-soothing face mist is packed with sea botanicals and skin-loving ingredients like witch hazel and jasmine extract. This must-have helps hydrate, balance, and keeps your makeup flawless all day. It is a travel size with an MSRP of $12. I do love it when there's no math. We're going to open this. I am at the very end of taping just 2 videos, and it's summer, so it's warm out there. So I'm going to open this up and spritz my face a little bit. Who was that would do the boxes that was all one brand? It was a Beauty Awards. What was it called? Beauty Awards? You know, I feel like I should really remember that, but I don't. But it was in a Beauty Awards box, and every month they did a different brand, and one of the months was Manicadar. And I will tell you, I got a mist, I'm not sure if it was this one, in that box, and I used it to gone. Let's first see, let's find it, there we go. Let's see how it spritzes. That first one, did you see that? Just straight out like a little fire hydrant. Now it seems very misty. Okay, ready? I'm not sure I'm ready. Okay, ready? Why is it so hard to make yourself do this? Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, that feels good. It is a firm but misty mist. It comes out very much like a mist. I don't know if you guys could tell when I shot, but however far I was, I needed to be twice as far. Yeah, I would say this one is basically an at arm's length mist. Don't do it here. It was a lot. My chin is very moist. Oh, the table that I work with, I keep a towel on because when I set things down, if I set it down on the towel, you guys don't even know what happened. If I set it down not on the towel, video problems. Anyway, point is, it's very, no, we don't like the M word. It's very lightly wet. Is that better? This is did we read about this? Let's read about it. It is the Manicadar Hydration Happy Face Mist. I think I read this already. Yes, we already read that. Quit trying to trick me. Somebody didn't put on her thinking brain today. Was it me? Perhaps. That was adorable. I love, look at it, it has a little tassel. This bag, super duper cute. Somebody's going to love this. I got the Manicadar mist, which is already, by the way, dried down, and it felt very refreshing and nice. I have the nice vitamin serum from Olivia Uma. We have the lip oil. We have the e.l.f. sunscreen, and the, who was this? Lily Fan. Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. These were the 5 products that I got, $14 plus the tag, in the original Ipsy Glam bag. I will put the link down below in case you'd like to go over and check it out. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. I buy my own bags, my own goodies, and that is how they fit in my little bag. Oh, it's a cute, cute little bag this month. I like that a lot. We have the City Beauty Brightening Eye Cream. I am so excited to try. Oh my goodness. It has completely absorbed. There would be absolutely no problem putting your makeup on this. It feels so soft and nice. I can't wait for my under eyes to feel like that. Oh, it's gonna be good. Anxious to try it. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you have any questions about any of the things that we talked about, just let me know below. If it's about the City Beauty, I will happily talk all day and all night about the City Beauty and about the products that I use and I love. If it's about the Ipsy, love my Ipsy. It was my first video on the channel and I've stuck with them. And I really, really, really have been enjoying all of their boxes lately. So it's working very nicely. And the shoes, super cute. Have a great evening, guys. I hope I will see you again really soon. Take care.